Good morning. Ito, bumalik kami sa court sa may CDC. Kasama namin ang mga family. Nagdaya sila lahat dito. Mama, si Auntie Bean, si Maricel, si Pantoni, si Eric. And courtesy of Eric, siya nagbayad ngayon sa pagkain namin sa breakfast. Siya nagbayad. Ito, team manager namin ngayon, siya nagbayad. Ito yung pinaka bar nila. This is their coffee bar. And then they have different food here. Pagkain. You see here, it's outside. So far, wala pang ganong tao, pero it's a nice place to just to relax and kick back and get some coffee and some pastries. Kung makikita mo, yun yung pinaka-playground nila, CDC playground. Yung mga nagja-jogging, na-exercise. Very nice. Sa loob ng Clark CDC. Yung pala porch. At yung pag-aari ni Vince Dizon nito, yung sa DPWH. I'm not sure. Pero last time nandito kami, nakita namin siya rito. Okay, and here's the name. Porch. Ito yung order ni Bapantuan ni ano ito, mocha. Look at the design.
Yan yan?
Ang vlog ko.
Ah.
Oh. Ayan. Tea. Ang kira?
Milo dinosaur.
Milo dinosaur?
Hello. Oh. Alayo, bakit?
Okay, so far nandito na yung sa akin. Cafe latte. With the heart design. Then I have the Rocky Road cookies. Sarap. Yung kay mama yung mocha. Ano yung chicken sandwich?
Chicken natin.
Chicken sandwich.
Okay, kasi bana. Chicken natin. Burger.
Ano kaya? Burger?
Ako yun. Burger.
Oh my God, ano yun? Karakal.
Lokomoko.
Kung gano'n na yan eh.
Huwag ka lang ang kutsara.
Loco moco.
Ako na kumain.
Chicken sandwich.
Kuya mo lang may
Chicken sandwich. Marine yung
Nakakatakot naman yung
burger.
Mahana ka.
Tara yung price. Ito sa Apple Lusing. Ito yung win ng sisig. Dito kami lumaki noon sa crossing, tawag nila. Ito yung kay Apple Lusing. Ito kay Apple Lusing. Order kami ng sisig, barbecue, tsaka ano. So, ayun yung Apple Lusing. Ito yung tindahan ni Apple Lusing. Ito yung mga barbecue nila. May iba ng luto, charong bulaklak. I think they have tofu, pork belly, skin. They have some buro and chicken. Matay. Dito may ready-mix sila mga sisig. And then they have this pork belly with the manok. They have everything. Dito. Ito yung sisig food. Ito sa may Los Angeles. Ito yung crossing. Dati merong train dito na dumadaan. Noon panahon namin dito kami kumakain dito sa may Esquelita dito. Ito yung dating crossing noon. Dito nag-start si Apple Lusing. Itong daan na ito. Red crossing. Ngayon marami nang iba't ibang kainan. I think they're building a bridge there. I mean like a train going to Clark Airport. Ito yung mga iba-ibang ano ni Apple Lusing. Dami ng tao. Mga titinda ng ano. Ito, nandito yung pamangkin ko. Tinda na lechon. Ha? Naditindam, lechon.
Lechon! Sino yan? Kali.
Ito paksa lechon.
Oh, alin na ako yan.
Ito yung lechon nila. Ayan.
Magkano ba yun? 800 pesos.
Okay, this is our last dinner tonight. I'm going back home. So, mayan kami getting crabs and crack. And ito kami kakain, our last dinner. I'm leaving tonight. Oh, well, yeah, tonight at midnight. So, just having our last dinner with Eric and Soy. Our last dinner. You can see, this is the place, the crab and crack. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka main nila. Umorder kami ng isang, I think 1 point something kilos of seafood, and then they want crispy pata. So we have crispy pata and some seafood. My last night here in the Philippines. Going back home. Okay, here's our food. Yung seafood platter. And then kabundok na kanin. Now we have the special vinegar. And then I think this is Cajun sauce with Coke. Waiting for the crispy pata. Alright, begin. Okay, ito yung crispy pata nila. Hopefully it's crispy. Ano, makakain na si Soy. Saka yung seafood. Our last dinner tonight. See you back Philippines. Okay, good morning. Nag-arrive na ako kanina 6-7 in the morning. So I'm walking here sa Incheon International Airport. And I'm looking for the Priority Pass lounge. Tatlo yata yan ito sa my Terminal 2. But before that, I have to look for my my gate. So I don't have to be rushing later. Look for my my gate. I think my gate's number 231. So maybe all the way back there. But anyway, ito yung Incheon Airport. Ang tao. Okay, let's see. I'm still looking for my 231. And this side here. It's a big airport. Look at this. Big airport. Ito. I've been walking for like 20 minutes already. 231. So all the way back. Oh, let's just go. So let's see. And then I can go there. Us. Sky Hub. A lot of walking. How nice is that? Ito yung mga Sky Hub lunches nila. I'll go there later after I'm checking my my gate. I'm gonna go there for my priority pass. My gate is 231, so that's this one there. Okay, I'm waiting for my next flight. I got like hour left. I'll be boarding around 2, and then we're gonna be leaving at 2:30. That's Korean Air. That's our plane on that side there. It's pretty nice. I enjoy the food at the lounge, the Sky Hub, courtesy of Priority Pass. It's very good. Capital One, Venture X. Yeah.